how to install TeraCopy on Windows 11 and 10. So if you want to install TeraCopy on Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with my Chrome browser. Now on your browser, you need to search for download TeraCopy. And here you will have TeraCopy for Windows. So you need to go with the first option. From here, you need to scroll down. Here you will have TeraCopy for Windows. So you just need to simply go with download, which is here on the upper left. And once you go with that, you can select Windows 7 or Windows 11. You can go with your platform. After selecting your platform, you can go with the right side and then click on install or download, and it will start the downloading process. You can go with downloads, which will be in the top right. Go with the three dots, and then here you'll have downloads. You can click on downloads, and after it's downloaded, you can click on the downloaded file, and it will ask you if you want to install it or not, and you'll be able to install it on your Windows. Or you will also have some information on how you can install it. You can just simply view this page in order to install it. So that's how you can download and install your TeraCopy for your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.